How to find top artists on Spotify. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can find top artists on Spotify, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to find the top artists and the top people that you listen to on Spotify, it's very simple to do so. Let's say that you have listened to multiple songs and then you want to find the top songs and the artists that you listen to. Remember that we won't be able to do this from the native Spotify app itself, so what we're going to do is we're going to basically go ahead and then launch our browser here. Once we launch our browser, here you'll find this option known as statsforspotify.com. You want to make sure to simply come to this website. I'll make sure to drop a direct link down below, and when you come to the website you want to make sure to simply sign into your Spotify account. As you sign into the Spotify account, here you'll find this option called top artist. You want to make sure to just tap the top artist option. Here you can see based on last 4 weeks, last 6 months, or maybe all time, depending upon what you want, you can simply go ahead and then find the top artists in this way. This way you can find top artists on Spotify. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.